Hi, I'm Barbara Beck, and I've been a registered histotech since 1971. I started Beck Consulting and Associates in 1999. In 2001, I met Dave Patterson, the owner and founder of Bel Air Instruments. He said, we're not going to get every single lab interested, but I want the majority of them. I want to be number one. And when we had that meeting and he told me that, I said, I'm going to be a part of that. And I really feel like our partnership has grown. It has been so beneficial to many, many labs.
I'm Brian Beck. I've been doing Mohs for about 22 years. I'm the owner of Beck Consulting. I travel the country setting up new labs and helping out labs to process faster and more efficient. And we do fill-ins, trainings, workshops, you name it. The benefits of coming here to our workshops are we all train the exact same way. There's multiple ways to do Mohs, but we all try to focus in on the one way to really get the correct answer. Instead of having multiple trainers teaching you 25 different ways, we all teach you one way to see if that fits you. If not, we can go ahead and actually mold it to your training and go from there. The biggest thing about doing a workshop here at Avantik is everything is right here on site, to where if you need any supplies whatsoever, cryostats to supplies to blades, gloves, you name it, it's all right here in-house, and it makes it very wonderful.
Hi, I'm Melissa Humphreys. I'm the operations manager at Beck Consulting and Associates. I've been with Beck's for 2 years. During our workshops, we have a CLIA compliance lecture. We really go over what the tech needs to know while working in the lab daily, how they can log everything appropriately, kind of their skill set and level, so that they can get through their inspections well and just be successful in the lab. We have a lot of fun. We're super casual, but also extremely professional. We like to essentially make friends with all of the technicians and just have a good time while learning the Mohs process.
My name's Stephanie. I work at Contemporary Dermatology on Cape Cod and also on Plymouth. I'm a clinical office manager, and Mohs is just my next step. I came in with no experience. Everyone is really awesome, very knowledgeable, very personable, and overall it was a great experience today.
My name is Natasha Smith, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I work for Dermatology Associates of Atlanta. I am a surgical tech there, training to be a histotech, and that's why I came to this class today to get my training. I had a really good, eventful day learning about the cryostat, learning some new tricks on how to heat it up and get my tissue to not crumble, which was a real highlight for me today.
Hi, I am Carol, and I am a histotech at McFarland Clinic in Ames, Iowa, and I have learned a lot of new things about the stain line and a few techniques in cutting. I have been cutting for about 5-6 years, so even with that amount of experience, this has been very helpful for me.